In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write the division sign in Word. If you need to type the division symbol in a Microsoft Word document, you can easily insert it using the symbol option. The division symbol is useful for mathematical equations, calculations, worksheets, school activities, and other documents that require mathematical notation. First, open Microsoft Word and open the document where you want to insert the division symbol. Place your cursor exactly where you want the division symbol to appear. You can place it between numbers, letters, or other mathematical characters. Next, go to the Insert tab at the top of Microsoft Word. Look for the Symbols section. Here, you will find the Symbol option. Click on Symbol to open the list of available symbols. You may see several commonly used symbols in the menu. If the division symbol is already visible, you can select it directly. If you do not see the division symbol in the list, click More Symbols. This will open the Symbol dialog box, where you can browse through a larger collection of characters and mathematical symbols. In the Symbol dialog box, look through the available symbols until you find the division sign. The symbol looks like a horizontal line with a dot above it and another dot below it. Once you find the division symbol, select it. After selecting the symbol, click Insert. Microsoft Word will place the division symbol exactly where your cursor was positioned. You can now continue typing your equation or calculation. For example, you can place the division symbol between two numbers to create a simple mathematical expression. If you want the division symbol to match the surrounding text, you can select it and adjust the font or font size using the options in the Home tab. The Symbol option is useful because it gives you access to many mathematical characters and other special symbols that may not be available directly from your keyboard. Once you have inserted the division sign, you can continue editing your document normally. And that's how you can write the division sign. Type the divide symbol in Microsoft Word using the Symbol option. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel,